I want you to breathe all this in, breathe all this in.
What's going on YouTube? It's Jake from Burn Machine BMX, and today I got an unboxing video and also a little 2015 Kink Gap XL little bike check for you. And I'm going to do the bike check first before I show you my parts I got from DansComp. So right now it's pretty much all original, except I got snafu pedals, snafu seat. It wasn't really big on the fake leather seat that Kink gives with you. I just didn't really like the feel. It was a little bit bulky. And pedals, I just wanted something like a transparent red to go with the two-tone on my bike. So the new parts on my bike is going to be grips, new brakes, because the Mission brakes that came with it, they really sucked. I tried adjusting them and everything. They're just really terrible. I like running brakes, but I ran brakeless for a few weeks since they broke. It wasn't pretty bad, but yeah. So since they broke, I bought a couple new brake items, such as brake cable, new brakes that are going to go with it, new chain, and I'm about to get to that right now. Alright guys, it's on to the DansComp unboxing portion. Little parts kit. This. First thing up, we got the Odyssey Slick brake cable. Yeah, I wanted a little bit of red to go with the bike, just a little red offset. So I got a red brake cable for $3.99. I had Odyssey brakes on my last bike. I had a Sunday. It went really good. So Odyssey. Next up is my Colt Keyhard grips. I hope I'm saying that right. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Don't correct me. But anyways, here they are. I'll take one out for you. The ones in roster are pretty cool, but I kind of just want to black it with my bike. Alright, feel super grippy like that. I'm a big fan of flangless. That's why I got the Colt flangless grips for a bike. Next up is my Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket. This is pretty cool, looking at it right off the bat. This thing is super nice. Really like the Shadow Conspiracy parts. I think this would be really cool to go with my stem and my hubs, which are like a raw material. Well, they're polished, but yeah. Next up is the Odyssey Springfield U-brakes. The unique thing about the Odyssey Springfield U-brake is there's only one spring in the middle, and if I can get this open, I'll show you what I mean by that. Yeah, here we go. So like most U-brakes, they're gonna have a spring right there and a spring on both, one on each arms. This one doesn't. This has one little spring right in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully the GoPro will be able to focus on this. And yeah, so that's why I picked Odyssey Springfield brakes or U-brakes. Alright, next up is my Mission brake lever. It's pretty much the same one I have on the bike right now. I could have just spray painted my brake lever, but whenever my brakes came off, I was making my last edit. I got a little bit mad, so I tore everything apart and I kind of lost the parts to it. I could have just got the spring, but I figured I'd just get the whole new brake cable, or not brake cable, brake lever. It was only about $8, so looks pretty nice. And last but not least for the bike is my KMC bike chain. I'm gonna open it up for you guys real quick too. Got it here. And here we go. As you can see right here, it's black, red, black, red. I really like that. It looked great on my bike. That's why I got this chain. I was gonna get a half link, but kind of wanted this one after I saw it. It looks really cool. So I'm gonna put all these parts on my bike, and I'm gonna do another quick bike check. Alright guys, it's about the next day, around 11 at night, and this is just about what it looks like after all the parts are on. As you can see, chain looks really good with the two-tone on this bike. Let's see. We got that Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket. See right there. It's really, really good. Also, we got the Mission brake lever. That's really good. The Odyssey brake system, U-brake. This is the Odyssey Springfield. I really like it so far. It was kind of easy to put together. But yeah, and the last thing that was on it, the Odyssey slick cable. What's really good, just if you want to get a new cable, and this was only $2.99 since I didn't need the hardware, such as that. It's a little bit loose right now. I'm just gonna put a zip tie on it. It'll be all good. Alright, well, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.